Welcome back. The last day we learned about Django views and Django URLs. So today we are going to learn how templates works in Django. So at first we need to make a templates folder here. In this folder we are going to store our HTML files here. Like index.html. We are going to write here h1 tag. This is our first HTML page. Okay, so now after this we have to introduce our templates to settings.py. Okay, so here we are going to write a base directory and templates. Okay, we have introduced our templates here, templates folder here, and now we have to make a function here, index request parameter return our render. It's going to render our HTML file here, and we have to import render at first. Okay, we have imported, and now return render request our index.html file. Okay, and now we have to make a URL here for our this function. Okay, I'm going to leave this thing blank, I mean in the single quotation mark, and it's going to be index. Okay, so now it should work. I have run the server already. Let me copy this and paste here. Okay, so this is working. This is our first HTML page. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you need a detailed explanation, I recommend you to use ChatGPT. And if you want to join our Discord community server, the link is given below in the description. Until next time, happy coding.